This is the one video you absolutely cannot miss today. Because I'm about to reveal a solution that can completely transform security in education, factories, and logistics. The answer is ACTi Linux NVR. This isn't just another recorder, it's a revolutionary platform that delivers high performance, unmatched reliability, and cost efficiency all at once. First, the ACTi Linux NVR supports up to 64 channels. For education, this means classrooms, hallways, and playgrounds can all be monitored simultaneously. For factories, every detail from production lines to warehouses and entry points can be recorded. And in logistics, 64 live streams can cover warehouses, loading docks, driveways, and delivery hubs, ensuring zero blind spots. This isn't just a number, it's the guarantee of complete security. Next, let's talk about the 8-bay design. Schools can store months of footage to review lessons or campus events. Factories can use RAID configurations to protect critical data against drive failure, supporting quality control and safety audits. Logistics providers can preserve long-term evidence across the supply chain. These 8 bays are not just storage, they're the backbone of efficiency, safety, and trust. Then, each bay supports up to 22 terabytes capacity, offering virtually unlimited space for education, factory, and logistics operations. Schools can retain an entire semester or year of footage. Factories can store all vital production data to reduce disputes. Logistics companies can maintain international shipping records with complete transparency. 22 terabytes per bay is not just a spec, it's the answer to your storage pain points. Moreover, the ACTi Linux NVR supports both local and remote web clients. In education, IT staff or campus security can access video anytime, anywhere. In factories, managers don't need to remain in the control room to monitor operations. In logistics, managers can oversee multiple warehouse sites remotely, saving time and reducing risks. This isn't just convenient, it's transformative efficiency. Finally, the ACTi Linux NVR integrates seamlessly with ZNR and YVR series via plugin services for full CMS management. This means schools can manage multiple campuses simultaneously, factories can unify all branch facilities into one platform, and logistics can control warehouses and distribution centers worldwide. This integration delivers not only greater efficiency but also scalable, flexible security management. While Hikvision and Dahua dominate the market, the ACTi Linux NVR stands out by offering full NDAA compliance, eliminating compliance risks. At the same time, it's priced competitively, often at the same level or even lower than these competitors. In other words, with ACTi Linux NVR, you get higher specifications, greater trust, and better compliance, all without paying extra. It's truly a case of paying less but gaining far more. Act now. Click the link below to see how the ACTi Linux NVR, with 64 channels, 8 bays of 22 terabytes each, remote access, and CMS integration, can revolutionize security for education, factories, and logistics, all with unmatched cost efficiency. Don't wait, the time to upgrade your security is now.